Greetings and welcome to Pinball Features. This is an ongoing series of interesting things about pinball. And this time I'm going to talk about mods. Now, modding a game is where you add something to it. Like you think of like a resto mod with a car, where you buy a car and then you upgrade the stereo system or you add different wheels and stuff like that. A lot of pinball enthusiasts like to do this as well. And I'm going to talk about a mod that I think is really cool. Now, I'm not the biggest modder. I don't like adding tons of stuff to a pinball machine, but then again, I have over 100 of these games, so I can't really afford. If I had just a handful of them, I probably would spend more time polishing them and massaging them. But I operate these things, I put them on location, and my main focus is making sure they play. But every once in a while, a mod comes along that really, I think, adds value to the game. And I'm going to talk about side blades, side art. So this is a Williams Whitewater game. And I just did a series on installing side art in here. And see the graphics on the inside? That was normally not there stock. There was just a flat black, and it looked okay. And I can show you what it typically looks on these games. Look, here's a Simpsons right here, and you see there it's just flat black, you know. And then next to it here is a Jackpot. Just flat black. And now it does focus your attention on the playfield, but if you could add some cool graphics and art on the inside, that's real estate that you could, expand upon. And so this is what is happening right now. And you can see, here's a great example of not just adding side art, but adding side art that amplifies the playfield features. So you've got a ramp where the ball goes down like this, and here you've got people on a raft, whee, doing that, you know, and then so you can actually expand upon what's going on in the playfield with the art, and eagle flying overhead. It just makes the whole game feel a little more real, a little more interesting, and it's not difficult to put these things on. I've got a little 4 or 5 part series where I do it, and I actually make a mistake, and I show how I fixed the mistake. So don't be afraid to try something if it seems intimidating. There's always a workaround. Just be patient, and you can do it. So I really like side art. I think this is a thing. You know, if you're going to add something to your game, it's pretty cool. What we have here, this is the side art for Attack from Mars. So this artist, Brian Allen, has licensed his stuff with Bally Williams, gotten the legitimate license, and he's created his own custom artwork, as you can see. The guy is super talented. His use of colors, he's got his own kind of style. It's kind of comic book-like, and it's really, really well done. So this is going to be installed in our Attack from Mars machine, and it'll add a whole other dimension. Instead of just having the flat black on the sides, we'll have all this extra stuff, and it's gonna, I think it's gonna really be cool. So it will add value to your game. And it definitely, pinball is about art and graphics and images and design. And so adding something like this kind of bumps it up to another level. It's a fun little addition to add to your game. They're not super expensive. They're relatively easy to install. And they just make the game look a little bit more beautiful. Wouldn't you agree, Bigfoot? I think you would. So thanks for watching, and if you would like to find out more about pinball and all the different features, I have a playlist called Pinball Features where I talk about the different things, elements associated with pinball. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, YouTube/PinballHelp, and visit me at PinballHelp.com where I will usually have more pictures and a little bit more information on each video. So until next time, thanks for watching.